Hi there. I'm going to give you a really quick demo of how to use LangSheet.AI to create content at scale and that is very high quality. Okay, and so the way that LangSheet works is that columns on a spreadsheet are different steps in a workflow or AI process, and we run different rows. And so we're going to run row 7,466. Okay, and so what it's going to do now, it's going to read the URL, see that it's about Pompeii, Italy land tours. It's going to take a prompt and write a first draft, and then an editor. We have an editor prompt here that will take and make a second draft. And then we have a prompt for a title tag. You can see that there it just wrote the paragraph, and here it wrote a title tag, wrote a meta description, and an H1 tag. And then what we can do is we can actually just publish this in one click, and we can see our new paragraph published on this new page. And so that's how LangSheet works. Enjoy.